I want to source products from China, but the process seems too complicated. Is there a simple solution?
That's a very common question. A professional sourcing agent in China can help with exactly that. From screening suppliers and inspecting samples to shipping directly to your address, we can handle everything. Often, just one meeting is all it takes to coordinate your entire project.
That sounds helpful, but I'm looking to build a long-term business partnership, not just to make a purchase.
Many of our international clients come to us with the same expectation. They often think sourcing is just about placing an order, but in reality, true sourcing should be like having a local partner. That's exactly what sets Sourcingyuan apart.
I'm Lee. Recently, my team Sourcingyuan.
Hi, this is Tommy Tang from Sourcingyuan. I'm Mika.
I'm Martina.
How so? What makes you a partner?
First, we bring you virtually to the market. You don't need to fly here. Our team can take you on a live video tour, exploring places like Guangzhou's Shashebima clothing market or Shenzhen's Walking Bay electronics market to help you spot best-selling products and the latest designs. Second, we don't just execute, we collaborate on your product development, from sourcing samples based on your ideas and managing customization to overseeing full production. We ensure your vision is accurately turned into a finished product.
That sounds different from traditional sourcing. Once the product is ready, how can I market it more effectively?
Great question. This is where our partnership extends further. After production, we can directly help you create marketing videos, whether it's our team producing live action videos locally to showcase product details and manufacturing environments, or using AI-generated video content to quickly create engaging product introductions. We provide the support you need. You'll get ready-to-use marketing materials to speed up your launch.
So Sourcingyuan doesn't just solve the buying part. You cover everything from market insight and product relation to marketing support.
Exactly, from discovery, sourcing, and quality control to logistics and marketing support. We are your one-stop partner in China. Your success is our success.